Today is the 5th day of December and Christmas is fast approaching. I know we are all excited about it and we just can't wait. I want to say a huge welcome to you back to the channel, and then in this video I am just sharing with you a vlog on the streets of Ahojo. The busy and beautiful streets of Ahojo. So on this road that I am now is the Ahojo road. I think a few months ago they started constructing a dual carriage road, and then I just want to let you all know that the road is finally done, and then that is what we are on right now. It is a very huge road and then looks beautiful. So basically this vlog is about sharing with you how the streets of Ahojo, which is a part of Kumasi, looks like, and then let's enjoy. And then if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. As for today, you won't see my face, but I'm sure in the videos to come you are going to see my lovely face. Stay logged in and enjoy. So to put this across, if you are someone who really knows Kumasi that much, you will agree with me that Ahojo is one part of Kumasi that most of the foreigners love to stay a lot, because it has Ahojo, that's the place, has lots of beautiful hotels, and then the environment looks good and friendly, unlike other places that is noisy and all that. But this Ahojo, as you can see from the video, it's a calm environment, and then the place is so good for living. So in case you are planning on coming to Ghana, moving to Ghana, and then coming to Kumasi precisely, I think Ahojo is one place I'll suggest for you. And then in case you want a much developed area that is also calm, then Ahojo is the place. If not, then you can choose to live around the new sites, places that are now developing, places that they still have uncompleted buildings and all that, where you get to experience nature all the time. And also, I am sure that from now, as you're watching the video, you will see some bins alongside the road. This is trying to tell us how much the place is developed. I can't really speak ill of Ahojo. I can't really do that, because I have friends living there and they said the place looked nice. That is way back in high school, and then from what I saw yesterday while I was vlogging, I really come to an agreement with what they have been talking about. All right, y'all, I hope you did enjoy this vlog. I really try my best with the help of a few others to be able to bring content to you all. I mean, content that are going to interest you. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and then do all the good things that really help with the algorithm of the YouTube videos, and give me some good comments. Thank you so much for enjoying this vlog and for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye. I'm signing out.